Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make a delicious avocado dip for nachos. We will start by selecting the perfect ripe avocados, then move on to combining them with fresh, zesty ingredients. This guide will help you create a creamy, flavorful dip that elevates any nacho experience, ensuring every bite is absolutely delightful. Get ready to transform simple ingredients into a crowd-pleasing snack in just a few easy steps. First, select 3 perfectly ripe avocados. They should feel slightly soft when gently squeezed. Carefully halve each avocado, remove the large pit, and scoop the vibrant green flesh into a medium-sized bowl. Using a fork, mash the avocado until it reaches your desired consistency. Some prefer it completely smooth, while others enjoy a few small, delightful chunks for added texture. Now, let's infuse our dip with incredible flavor. Squeeze in about 2 tablespoons of fresh lime juice. This brightens the taste and helps keep the dip from browning. Next, fold in 1/4 cup of finely diced red onion and 2 tablespoons of fresh, chopped cilantro. Finish by adding about 1/2 teaspoon of salt, then give it a good stir. Taste and adjust the seasoning to your preference. Your delicious avocado dip is now ready to be enjoyed. Serve it immediately alongside a generous platter of warm, crispy nachos for the ultimate snack. For an extra touch, garnish with a little more fresh cilantro or a dash of chili powder. If you have any leftovers, store them in an airtight container with plastic wrap pressed directly onto the surface to minimize air exposure and keep it fresh for up to 2 days.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.